Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Friends, I did it. Well, I haven't done it yet, but I am completing Junk Journal July. All I have left is torn, stamp, ticket, and patchwork. Here we go. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay. So, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. Let me tear this so I can have some torn. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it up, but I want to finish it up. Because once I start something, I like to finish it up. I like to get it done. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to tear it down a little bit more because I want to use this. Let me tear it down a little bit more. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I have been playing around with some of the items that I got in my haul. After I do this, I need a new journal. So I thought I would play with some of the stuff that I got from Ollie's. And I have to go to the doctor later on this week. So, now that, Ollie's has stuff and there's a couple of things I still want that I'm gonna have to go by there and check it out. But anyway, here we go. So notice, torn. There's that torn edge right there. Right there. And then, not only is it torn, and I wanted to do I wanted to put these over on the other side. I'm going to spend a few moments with you because I'm finishing up. So, there I was out and about because I had to go and pick up some medicine for my daughter. And have you ever been in the store and one of the old songs that you haven't heard in years show up on the come when the music's playing in the store, and your little body just begins to sway a little bit, And there I was at the end of the line at the pharmacy. And I just couldn't help myself. Shoot. I was like, wow, this is my song. I haven't heard this in, woo, who knows how long that's been since I've heard that. I was like, man, that's my song right there. So, I started spraying and stuff. And the feet started moving and everything. I'm not the best. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not the best dancer either. And everything. And I'm like, whoa, here we go, Jay. This is pretty cool. Look at you dancing. So, I'm just dancing in the store. I'm waiting for my time to get up in the line. And I'm just dancing in the store. I'm just having myself a good old day. Almost. Now, see, this is the part you gotta wait. You gotta check yourself, cause when you hear your music at home, and that's my girl Patchwork. She has on a patchwork dress. When you hear your music at home, you can break out. You can break out in a song if you want to. You can just break out in song. So, I almost broke out in song. I had to start it and go, and stop myself. Make a little noise, so I wouldn't break out in song there in the store. But I was still moving, though. I was like, oh, this is good. My song right here. I don't know, I was like, this is my song. So it went off, and, I settled my little self back down while I was, you know, in the store. There's tickets. I got some tickets here, some tickets there. And I think it called for some stamps, or a stamp. I think it's saying stamp, but I'm going to break out my Tim Holtz sticker book, postmarked. And I'm going to break out some stamps. I'll put a little stamp right there. I think I want an orange one. That's orange. Can I have some orange? I want an orange stamp with another number on it. I'll break out another stamp. If you haven't seen this Tim Holtz book of stamps, it's really nice. It has like stamps in all colors. And I got this when Joann's was going out of business, 99 cents, I think it was. So, let's see what I got. Let's see if I got it. I got torn. These are all torn. I got stamps. I got some tickets. And I got my girl in Patchwork. I did it, you guys. I did it. I completed Junk Journal July. I completed all of my prompts. My whole book is full. Look at that book. That book is full. I'm going to enjoy going back and looking over all the stuff that I had and that I put in there. I have to sit it on here because, you know, the book is full. Thank you guys. If you joined me doing Junk Journal July, let me say thank you to Debbie over at Pen and Ink Journals, because she is the one who's sponsoring it. And if you haven't checked out her channel, Debbie at Pen and Ink Journals, she does a lot of really cool stuff. And I think now she has a new project going on where they're making teeny weeny little books. And she's working on how to different ways of attaching signatures. And I'm thinking if I'm going to enjoy that, but I have a couple of projects I want to do. So I may step in and do something and not do something. But thanks again, Debbie, because she gave papers and everything. I want to thank you all for joining me. If you like what I've done here with Junk Journal July, please press that thumbs up button. Also, if you're not a subscriber here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. And please press the bell so you know when I upload another video. Comment below, because I didn't think I was going to complete the 31 prompts. And if you have a chance, I will try to hook my playlist above this video so you can go back and at your leisure enjoy the playlist and all the fine pages that I've done. I think I did some really good pages, but that's me. I would say that, wouldn't I? So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to take care of yourself, and always remember self-care is not selfish. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.